talk about characters, okay? First, we're just going to talk about the overall characters, and then we're going to talk about some sentence stems that we want to be using when reading, okay? So when we talk about characters, we need to look at two different things. We need to look at the outside of our character, and then we need to look at the inside of our character, okay? So when we're talking about the outside of the character, it's everything that you see with your eyes, okay? So when you're looking at me, you see I have brown hair, I have a blue shirt on, I've got freckles, I've got brown eyes, you know that I'm a teacher because I hold a teacher's badge on me, I'm wearing a jacket today. Those are all the things that you can see with your eyes, okay? Then we're talking about the inside of the character. Those are things that you can't see. Those are the personality traits that somebody has. It's what you've learned about the character based on what they say, do, think, or feel. So remember, we are talking about what they think, what they say, what they feel, and their actions. Okay? So remember, on the outside, we have our physical traits. That's what we see. Then on the inside, we have our personality traits. That's our thoughts, words, feelings, and actions. Okay? So one more time, we have the outside of our character, that's our physical traits, that's what we see. We have the inside of our character, that's our personality traits, that's our thoughts, words, feelings, and actions. Okay? Some sentence stems I really want you guys to be focusing on when reading is, my character often does what? What do they do over and over again? And then explain yourself. For example, then this makes me think that the character is what? So every day I drink coffee. So that might tell you that I'm very sleepy in the morning. Okay? I used to think my character was blank. But in the text, it said this. So now I'm thinking... So that's starting to talk about change in a character. So at the beginning, I thought my character was maybe a little shy. But in the text, it said that she has lots of friends and she's starting to talk more. So this is making me think maybe she's a little bit more social, she's just shy at home. Okay, it's talking about different things. You can definitely make realizations about a character, and I'm realizing blank about my character. Okay, noticing that physical trait, or personality trait. I'm noticing that she has a lot of friends. She's a cheerleader. She's very talkative and she's very peppy. This makes me think that she's very spirited and really kind to others. Okay. Finally, and probably one of the most important sentence stems that I really want you guys to start using is, my character is changing. They used to be, but now I think this change is caused by. Okay, I want you guys to figure out what changed the character. What caused her or him to change? Okay, definitely focusing on, at the beginning they acted like this, at the end they were kind of acting like this. What in the middle happened to cause that change? Okay, remember, our characters, we don't want to just focus on what they look like. We also want to think about all of the things about what's going on in the inside. All of their thoughts, all of their words, all of their actions and feelings, and then all of their actions, okay? Thinking about all of those things, and that's how we develop characters and start an understanding about our characters.